In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror turn signal indicator lamp on this Ford Focus. Let's get into it. You want to tip the mirror down. You could even take the glass off if you want, if it makes it easier. But underneath here, there is two releases. You just want to get in there with a pick. And just get under there with a pick. Release that tab. There's another one over here. Pull this back a little bit. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. Get underneath here. Just want to pull it back and up a little bit. It slides right off. Take this lens off. I'm just going to use a pick, or you can use a trim tool. Just get underneath right here. And it is clipped on right there. It's just hard. There's not really any way to get to the clip. That's where it's clipped in. And just pull the socket out. If you want to replace the bulb, just grab it, slide it out. This is a 194 amber bulb. To install a new one, just line it up, lock it in place. Slide the socket in place. There is some grooves that line up. Then you want to get this side in first, right there. That locks in place. There you go, clips in place. And you want to clip the cover in place, just line it up. Down below. And it's clipped in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.